Hello, I'm Pip. Phew, it is a HOT day today. Fan your face with me. So where do we go when it is hot? Can you guess? Look at all that lovely blue water. This is the pool. Can you say pool? Pool, very good. Today we will lay out our towels, splash in the water, go down the slide and float on a ring. The water is blue and the deck is white. And here come our friends. Let us count them in. 1. The cat. 2. The fox. 3. The rabbit. 4. The parrot. 5. And the llama. 5 friends at the pool. What a lovely day. Now, can you find the parrot? Where is he standing? There he is, right by the water. One important rule at the pool, we always walk, no running. Walk, 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 nice and slow, well done. Let us dip one toe in, 2, chilly. Splish and splash and in we go, at the pool from head to toe. Can you say pool? Pool, very good. Splish and splash and in we go, at the pool from head to toe. And now, let us lay out our towels. Come on. Here we are, our spot by the water. Before we swim, everybody needs one of these. Soft and warm and fluffy, this is a towel. Say it with me, towel. Towel, very good. Let us lay one out for each of us. Count with me. 1. A red towel. 2. A yellow towel. 3. A green towel. 4. A blue towel. 5. A pink towel. 5 towels in 5 bright colors. When we get out, we wrap up and go all dry and cozy. Now, can you find the cat? Which towel did she pick? There she is, on the red one, of course. Ew, a little breeze is tugging at mine. Flap, flap, flap. Hold on, towel. Got it, back down you go, hee hee. Towel down and towel dry, ready for a splash nearby. Can you say towel? Towel, very good. Towel down and towel dry, ready for a splash nearby. Now, into the water for a big splash, come on. Here we are, right at the edge of the water. Sit down and dangle your toes in, ew, cool and lovely. Now kick your legs, kick, kick, kick. Listen to that sound, that is a splash. Say it with me, splash. Splash, very good. Let us make 5 big splashes, count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 splashes. The whole pool is dancing. The splashes are white and the water is blue. Now, can you find the fox? Is he brave enough? There he is, just watching from the side. Ready for my biggest splash? Here it comes. Curse splash. Hee hee, I splashed my own face. Water in my ears, shake it out, wibble wobble. Splash, splash, kick and play, in the pool we splash all day. Can you say splash? Splash, very good. Splash, splash, kick and play, in the pool we splash all day. Now, up the steps to the big slide, come on. Here we are, at the big blue slide. Look how tall it is, all the way up there. You climb up, you sit down, and whoosh. This is a slide. Say it with me, slide. Slide, very good. First we climb the steps, count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps to the top, well climbed. The slide is blue, like a little blue river. Now, can you find the llama? Is she coming up too? There she is waiting at the bottom. Good idea. Right, sit down, hold on, and ready. Wee. Splash, all the way into the water. That was brilliant. Can we go again, please? Up the steps and down we go, whoosh into the pool below. Can you say we? We, very good. Up the steps and down we go, whoosh into the pool below. Now, let us float on a big ring, come on. Here we are, back in the lovely cool water. Now for my favorite bit, floating. Round and round with a hole in the middle. This is a ring. Say it with me, ring. Ring, very good. Here come the rings, count them with me. 1, a red ring. 2, a yellow ring. 3, a green ring. 4, a blue ring. 5, a pink ring. 5 rings floating on the water. Every one is a circle, round like the sun. Now, can you find the rabbit? Did he get a ring? There he is, bobbing about very happily. Let me climb onto mine. Wibble wobble. Whoa, wobbly wobbly. Hold on. Steady steady there, I am floating. Ah, this is the best feeling in the world. Round and float, on my ring just like a boat. Can you say ring? Ring, very good. Round and float, on my ring just like a boat. Now, all that swimming, time for a snack, come on. Here we are, back on our towels, and the sun is going down. All that swimming has made me very hungry. Something little and yummy after swimming, that is a snack. Say it with me, snack. Snack, very good. 1 for each of us, count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 snacks, 1 for every friend. Munch munch munch, that is good. Wrapped in a towel, warm and dry and full up. What a splashy day, let us remember it all together. We arrived somewhere big and blue and full of water. The pool, yes. Then we laid out 5 soft fluffy ones to sit on. Towels, well done. Then we kicked our legs and made a great big splash, clever you. Then we climbed 5 steps and went whoosh down the slide, that is right. And then we floated on something round with a hole in it. A ring, you remembered everything. Pool, towel, splash, slide, ring and snack, you are so clever. Splash all day and dry all night, swimming at the pool is such delight. Can you say pool? Pool, what a lovely day. Splash all day and dry all night, swimming at the pool is such delight. What a big splashy day, time to go home now. Wave goodbye to the pool. Bye bye, pool, see you next time.